Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and today I would like to look through Kitchen Remix 75 Recipes for Making the Most of Your Ingredients. I love this because I'm not going to grocery stores as often, and I have a pantry full of food, but how do I use it and put it all together? This is by Charlotte Druckman, and I grabbed it from my local library, September 2020, so it's new. Kitchen Remix, colorful so far. Ooh, looking good. I really hope this is what I think it is. Contents, introduction about this book, stashing, and general cooking notes. What's stashing? Is that when I stash food in the pantry? We'll start with vegetables, including potato, mushroom, taleggio, did I say that right? Cauliflower, bacon, capers, broccoli. Wait, why is bacon in the vegetable chapter? Okay. Chicken stock, leek, zucchini, pistachios, mint, carrot, cashews, coconut, sweet potato, tahini, vanilla, beans and grains, cannellini, garlic, chili, orecchiette. I have all of these so far in my pantry, but I don't have broccoli rabe. Pine nuts, arborio rice, onion parmesan, long grain rice, Chinese sausage, egg, oats, apple, Gouda, bread, tomato, ricotta. Seafood, squid. I do not have squid in my pantry. Cornmeal, peppers, crab meat, Meyer lemon, nori, shrimp, poultry and meat. Dairy, labneh. I do have labneh and amaretti. Ooh. Oh, so far I'm loving the gorgeous food photography. About this book, she says, when you've got confidence, making dinner doesn't feel like a chore even when it is. It is a bit of a chore because my boyfriend and I used to go out to restaurants about 4 or 5 nights a week, and now we're eating home 7 nights a week. Oh, and 7 lunches a week. Help! Kitchen Remix teaches you how to combine ingredients. It identifies the definitive staples of today's pantry and shows you what you can do with them. What follows are 25 sets of these ingredients, each set with recipes for 3 very different dishes that include its respective ingredients, and each with a cheat sheet, yes, that explains the logic behind its selection and will guide those who wish to adapt recipes or invent new ones. Cool! Let's dive in. Stashing. With a well-rounded supply of ingredients in your kitchen, you can resourcefully cobble a meal together without having to go to the store all the time. If you're thoughtful enough about which items you stock, a pantry dinner and breakfast or lunch can be as impressive as one you plan for days ahead. But having an overcrowded pantry or jam-packed fridge is its own problem. You don't want so much stuff that goes to waste or takes up precious counter space. I have a jam-packed fridge and freezer. In fact, I have 2 fridges. One's full of wine and cold sodas. The second freezer is jam-packed full, so I have a problem. She goes through the pantry dry goods, necessities, baking powder, baking soda, bread, breadcrumbs, panko, blah, blah, blah. On and on and on, stuff you should probably keep around. Refrigerator, necessities, apples. My apples don't last long enough in this house to make it to the fridge. Pretty. Okay, general cooking notes, blanching, shocking, toasting nuts, toasting spices, salting pasta water, baking vessels, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So far, this is a beautiful cookbook. Starts off with potato, mushroom, and taleggio. I've got to learn how to pronounce it. Taleggio. It must be Italian, right? One recipe, it's for a potato hash. Then you could do a flatbread using the same potatoes, mushrooms, and taleggio. Or you could do a new potato salad using that cheese, those potatoes, parsley, celery, shiitake, mushrooms. Love it. Now, what's she going to do with cauliflower, bacon, and capers? Sauced roasted cauliflower gratin, very autumn. Love it. I need to make that more often. Or you could do cauliflower a la prune. I don't think my boyfriend would go for that. So, okay, we're getting an idea, and I'm going to skip part of this because I can't read you the whole book. Zucchini, pistachios, and mint. Minty fresh zucchini salad. Zucchini bread, of course. We all make zucchini bread and muffins when we have too much zucchinis from our garden, right? Carrot, cashews, and coconut. A carrot upside down cake, a Thai-ish carrot salad, and a curry roasted carrots with cashew coconut cream. Yum. Okay, I have to show you this picture. That is beautiful. Is that from the cover? Nope, that's just gorgeous. Okay. So we're going to move into other ingredients. Cannellini, chili garlic, pretty. I'm loving this. Recooked beans, chili powder. Okay. Noodle casserole, pine nut butter. Oh, I never thought of making pine nut butter. Onion risotto. Rice fritters. Okay, I'm a sucker for everything fried, aren't you? I mean, we all are. Oh, this is beautiful. An onion tart. I haven't made an onion tart in a couple of years. Okay, I'm skipping ahead. Bread, tomato, ricotta. We know what to do with those. A smoky strata. Yum. So far, this is a lot of stuff I want to make right away. So I guess I have to get my own copy of this cookbook and keep it, which is why I need to buy another bookshelf or 2 or 3. Seafood. I'm going to skip this briefly because I'm not a fish person, but oh, well, that's not very impressive. I can't find a great picture to show you. Okay, yay, skipping seafood. Moving on, pasta, almond soup, salmon. Okay, la la la. Woo! Here we go. Poultry and meat. I don't want to see any gross meat pictures, but you can enjoy them. Chicken with roasted apples and shallots. That's nice. Okay. Whoa, what is this? This is incredible. I have to show this to you, but I have to figure out what it is first. Savory apple tart tatin. Nice. Does look like goop on a plate, but no, it's fabulous. Ground beef, eggplant, parsnip. Is that a shepherd's pie, I'm guessing? Or you can make eggplant beef burgers with parsnip relish or something else. You're getting the drift. Dairy. Last chapter I'm going to look through with you. Eggs, olives, and labneh. Ooh, labneh baked eggs. I have a hard time finding labneh around here. Strawberry tomato salad. Yum, yum. Wow. Acknowledgements. This is awesome. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed looking through it with me. Kitchen Remix by Charlotte Druckman. This is a definite purchase I have to make because I wanted to make so many things out of this and just omit the bacon. Thanks for watching. Follow Cookbook Divas on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.